so today is Saturday, March 2nd, and today I am going prom dress shopping. So me and my sister, because we are both going to our senior prom this year, we're actually gonna take the train up to New York City for the day and go to a dress shop there, see if we can find our prom dress. It's about a 2-hour and 45-minute train ride, so it's not too bad, but I'm not sure if we're gonna have time to go to more than one store, but I guess we'll see. But anyway, I thought I would take you guys along on the ride here so you guys can see like what kind of dresses I'm shopping for and just experience the whole thing with me. Honestly, I'm not really expecting to get a dress today just because this store is like really fancy, and my school's prom is kind of weird. Like it's very, like it's actually pretty casual for a prom, so I'm looking for a pretty simple dress. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have that, and also I really want to wear like a hot pink dress. So that's kind of like my goal here. I just think that would look really good with like my hair and stuff, and I want to wear it with like snakeskin heels. Not sure if I'm gonna find that there, but I do plan on trying a lot of different dresses, even the really crazy ones, just for your guys' entertainment. So this should be pretty fun. So yeah, let's go. And I think we're pretty early for our appointment, so I think we're just gonna like look around first and then do like the consultation thing and like try on the dresses, and then if we have time we're gonna go to Bloomingdale's too, because I think they have like some more simple dresses that I'm looking for. So this one's just like for fun. I'm gonna try out a bunch of like really out there dresses and kind of see what happens. Hello, what kind of dress are you looking for? I don't know. Great start. Let's start with color because that's easy. What color do you want? Navy or green, even though you don't want me to get green. Don't wear green. I feel like green would be weird because like when we take pictures outside for prom, we're just gonna like match the grass. This is the dress store. Guys, look, it's so cute. This is so interesting.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Like, you have to think outside the box.
I would never wear this.
You look really pretty in it.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of these dresses I probably wouldn't wear, but I'm just gonna try on like the weirdly weird ones. Are you looking for like jewel tone stuff?
Yeah.
Wow, these look like wedding dresses. This one's so pretty. Look at it. Look at all the flowers. They're probably like $700 though. Oh my god, this is so cool. Look at that. There's just like a lot going on a lot of these dresses.
Did you try this on or no?
I want like a bright pink. So like they gave us this iPad thing, and it has like all the other dresses they have in the back in stock. So they have like a bunch in the showroom here, but then we can also look and pull some more from there. There's just a lot here. I think I want to try on like the really out there dresses. Like they have dresses that aren't even like prom, just like big red carpet gala things. Like it's pretty cool. Ooh, these have lots of beadings. Oh my god. Friend, these are like so heavy. Yellow. It's really big.
Let me get back up so I can get the full body. Do you want to do a twirl, Ella?
I don't think I like it.
It's really cute.
What do you think?
I actually think it's really pretty.
It's gorgeous.
I see to be like
Can't walk and talk.
no, I can't walk it.
You're like, pick it up, you get it done.
I think it's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous.
It'd be really cute in pink. It'd be very Barbie in pink.
I'm gonna wear like hot pink.
Just wear it hot outfit.
I like with snakeskin heels. Okay, next dress.
Oh!
It's like 5 pounds.
Yep, I found you another one when you come out. I actually like that better than the other.
I like the sparkles on that.
I like that better than the pink one you had on.
It's not as heavy. Oh, that's really cute.
No, it's better than the champagne lace one you had on.
Yeah, I think the gray is better.
The gray is better for you.
I can't imagine wearing gray. I think I'm not a gray person. Hi guys, so we just left the dress store. Bryn found a dress. I didn't find a dress. I didn't think I'd find a dress though, so it was okay. And it was really awkward because they didn't want us to film, and we kept filming, and they knew that. It was really uncomfortable. I don't like that. But yeah, which one did you pick? The blue?
It's like navy with like
like sparkles on. But now we're going to Bloomingdale's, and I do think I actually might find a dress there because I went on the website and they had like some cute ones that I think would be good. So hopefully they're a little more film friendly, or they just don't care. Probably it's that. Maybe I should try this one on. Lots of pink. This one's cute too. I'm just gonna pull that. Okay, so this is the first Bloomingdale's dress. It's actually pretty cute, except for the fact you can like see the cuffs through the dress, which is kind of weird. And also I don't really want like a light pink dress either, but yeah, I like the cut of it. It's pretty cute. This one's actually really cute. Like if I'm showing the camera first. Okay, so it's a little big on me, but I feel like if you just like, if I got taken in a bit like this, it would be really cute. Also, it's the color I'm looking for, and I just love the pink. And really a fan of the one shoulder thing and like this cutout right here. Super cute.
You want to zip it?
It is zipped. It's just too big.
I like this one so much better.
Like if I just like got taken in right here.
No, I bet you it comes in it too.
Oh right.
Yeah, I don't think it's on there, but it's yeah.
This one now, a little scandalous. You want to come in to see this one?
Oh,
I like this. If it,
oh my god, I totally love that.
It's too big, but if I got to take it in like that, it would look cute.
I love that more than the one you just had on.
This is another one I guess I could order. I don't know. It just needs to like come up and be taken in.
I think you just need a size that fits you. Look how cool this dress is.
Oh, whoa, wait, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I know, it's a 0.
I'm not a 0, I'm a 2. Do you want to see this one? I forgot to reverse it before I put it on.
No, you can't reverse it.
Oh, I thought you said I could reverse it.
No, I'm saying it's, oh my god, turn around and see.
I don't like it.
I see. Turn around and see. No, I don't love it. Here, this is, Lindsay found this in your size.
Oh, yay. Wait, look, this one fits much better.
Yeah, of course it
I like it. Oh wait, yeah, this is cute. Okay, so we're going to one more store. We're gonna go to STALK. Probably won't. I looked on the website. I didn't really like anything, and it was also really expensive. But it's, yeah, it'll be fun to look. Look at that one. That's insane. Here's pink. Oh wow, that's a big bell. That was over there.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, this one's cute. I'll find it. I'll find it and try it on. Whoa, look at that one on the mannequin. Okay, I need to find one more to try on just like for fun, like a really crazy one. And there's a lot of those here.
That could be, I mean, that's,
Yeah, I'll try that on.
This would be something you'd actually wear. It's a 2.
What do you mean I'd actually wear?
I mean, you'd wear this.
Yeah,
Right, it's not like a
not crazy.
try it on for fun.
Okay, and this is the dress I'm trying on for fun. It's really big. Look at that bottom. This is gonna be interesting. Okay, we got 3 dresses here to try on. This dress is actually super flattering. I really like it, and it's such a Barbie color. I think it looks really good with my hair too. I don't know about this whole mermaid thing going on. Might be a little much, but yeah, I'm gonna show it my family and see what they think.
It looks really pretty. It's not that fancy because the fabric is very simple.
Yeah.
If you didn't have that little mermaid part, it'd be like so simple. There'd be like nothing to it, you know?
Look at the straps, are nice. I feel like Barbie.
You look like a Barbie. It's not a bad thing. I mean, it's really flattering. So you know this is a double tier. You're not gonna.
I just get rid of the whole double tier.
Right. So you would just have, you know, it would just be like, you know, you would just have a little bit of this.
Wouldn't that look weird though? Because then it'd be so short.
No, because then you'd have like your cute little snakeskin, you know.
Next. Okay, here we have the second dress. Decided to save this one for last because that's gonna be the most fun. But I think this actually might be my favorite one so far. I don't know, I just think it's like really flattering, and I love like this one shoulder look. I just think it's like great because also strapless is just hard to maintain the whole night. But yeah, this is nice. Oh my god. This is This is really like insane.
More than it does on the.
It's too big.
Well, it's not
Yeah.
all the way.
Oh, it isn't? This is really interesting. How much is it? Like $500? 7? No, wait, 8?
Keep going.
1,100.
Yeah.
Really?
1,000.
1,009?
Yeah, 1,000.
Oh my gosh.
With tax.
Yeah. Well, this is an experience. I didn't even plan on getting a prom dress, and I found a prom dress.
I haven't gotten one yet.
Yeah, I go, well, no, I thought are you not getting that one?
I think I am, but I just like sit on it until I think about it.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, I actually managed to find something. I don't know, like I have like I found a dress from Revolve that's really similar to that, but like it wasn't as good, and this one's really good. Yay! I just realized I forgot to end this video, so yeah, that was me trying on 12 different prom dresses. I know I didn't actually mention which dress I ended up picking, so let me know in the comments down below what number you think I ended up going with. And yeah, if you're not following me on social media, I have an Instagram and a Twitter, both at Ella_Elbells, so go ahead and follow me both of those. And also, I post new videos every single Saturday, so be sure to turn those post notifications on. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Bye!